I have a flu, but I hope I can make it through this video. Hello, loves, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be telling you how to use Kojie San soap for best results without irritation, rebound hyperpigmentation, and all the unwanted side effects that some people seem to experience. Now, if you don't know Kojie San soap, you're probably living under a cave because how it is a very popular soap and it's said to treat hyperpigmentation, especially stubborn hyperpigmentation. I'm talking about insect bites from childhood. I'm talking about difficult areas like knuckles and knees, and just body hyperpigmentation that sometimes seems impossible to get rid of. This soap can get rid of it. In as much as there are so many reviews on the internet on this soap and how effective and good it is, there are so many people who have had really bad adverse reaction to this soap. Many people have had serious breakouts, rebound hyperpigmentation, that is hyperpigmentation that comes back worse, irritation, dryness, and there are a lot of people that this soap hasn't really done anything for. If anything, it's only made their skin worse. And this soap is not a regular soap. It's not your regular shower soap that you just get into the shower and, use it anyhow. It is very potent. And so it has to be used correctly in order to achieve a result. The Kojie San soap contains kojic acid, and kojic acid is a potent tyrosinase inhibitor. A tyrosinase inhibitor is an ingredient that inhibits the activity of tyrosinase. Tyrosinase is an amino acid that is responsible for producing melanin. It converts dopaquinone to melanin, and that's what gives the skin pigment. Now, in hyperpigmentation, melanin is overproduced, so tyrosinase inhibitors go to block tyrosine from producing excessive melanin and then lightening the area. That is what kojic acid does. As with every treatment product, there is a dosage. With kojic acid, it is 2%. 2% is the dose that is sufficient to treat any form of hyperpigmentation, no more. So Kojie San soap contains kojic acid, but we do not know the percentage of kojic acid in the soap. The brand doesn't tell us, and that is why we need to use it with caution, because this thing, it can burn your skin. It can literally roast your skin. So the first thing you need to be mindful of is the frequency of use. This soap should not be used more than 3 times a week if you're using it on your body, or more than 2 times a week if you're using it on your face. Now, about facial use, I personally do not recommend facial use of Kojie San soap, and that's because it can be really drying and most people will not handle it. But if your skin can handle Kojie San soap, you totally go ahead and use it, but no more than 2 times a week. Using it frequently on a daily basis is going to strip your skin. You'll be getting too much of kojic acid, and that can instead irritate your skin and cause rebound hyperpigmentation. If you continue to introduce kojic acid in your skin, like I said, we do not know the percentage of kojic acid in this soap, so it's better safe than sorry to not use this soap on more than 3 times a week on your body. Next thing is hydration. Hydration is really important when you're using Kojie San soap, because that soap is very drying. It is extremely drying, and if you strip your skin of its natural moisture, you leave your skin dehydrated and dry. When your skin is dehydrated or dry, it is prone to irritation, and that can lead to hyperpigmentation. So if you've used this soap and you did not hydrate properly, you may have realized that you got darker, or it worked for some time, but after that you started getting darker, and that's because it is stripping your skin each time you use it, and it will lead to more hyperpigmentation or worse hyperpigmentation. And that is why it is also important to not use it frequently, because if you use it frequently, you're going to be stripping your skin all the more, and it will lead to hyperpigmentation. So use sparingly and hydrate your skin. If you get out of the shower after using Kojie San soap, the first thing you should do, and this will ensure proper hydration, like you don't even need to worry about it, your skin will be hydrated after this hack, is using glycerin on your skin while your skin is still damp. Apply glycerin the first thing when you get out of the shower before applying your body lotion. Glycerin is a humectant and it draws moisture into the skin. So it is appropriately and adequately rehydrating your skin after using Kojie San. So the third thing you should be mindful of is not leaving it for more than 1 minute. Don't leave it on your skin for too long. Again, like I've said, it can strip your skin and it's going to cause irritation and hyperpigmentation. Maximum 1 minute on your body. If you're using it on your face, 30 seconds is enough. Don't do more than that. When you leave it on your skin for 1 minute or 30 seconds on your face, the active ingredient, which is kojic acid, is deposited in your skin and it is enough to work. Leaving it longer doesn't guarantee better results. It's only going to make things worse for you. So do not leave it on your skin for more than 1 minute. If you're in the shower and you cannot, turn on your timer, just sing the happy birthday song. It should last about a minute and then you rinse off. Tip number 4. Spot treatment. This soap is very potent and it may start to lighten the other areas, the surrounding areas of your skin that have no hyperpigmentation, and that can lead to white spots, hypopigmentation. So you can just use a Q-tip if it's on your face, take a lather of the soap and you just apply on that area, rinse off, and that's it. If it's on your body, treat the area of concern and wash it off. And tip number 5 is using sunscreen. There is absolutely no way that you're trying to lighten hyperpigmentation and then you're exposing your skin to a source of more hyperpigmentation. Whenever you're using any skin lightening, skin brightening, or any active ingredient, remember that your skin is vulnerable to the sun. The UV rays trigger your melanocytes, that is the melanin producing cells in your skin, to produce more melanin in just a bit to protect your skin from UV rays. So if you're using any of these ingredients, kojic acid, please wear sunscreen. Wear sunscreen. If you know that you do not wear sunscreen religiously, you might as well just stay away. If you go out and you wear sunscreen but you know that you're not religious, please apply it at night. And applying it at night doesn't give you an excuse to not wear sunscreen in the morning. And so on to pairing tips. There are 2 ways I pair Kojie San soap that gives me amazing results. For the body, with glycolic acid. Yeah, glycolic acid and kojic acid. They're just a match made in heaven. But again, it can go wrong really fast. Glycolic acid is an amazing ingredient, but it can also cause hyperpigmentation, rebound hyperpigmentation, or hypopigmentation. So please, when pairing kojic acid or Kojie San soap with glycolic acid, the ordinary 7% glycolic acid tonic solution. There are other types. If you want to be safe, you want to play it really safe, go for 5% glycolic acid. It's still going to give you amazing results. If you're going to use glycolic acid with Kojie San soap, use on alternate days. The way I do it is after I use my Kojie San soap in the shower, I hydrate my skin. I use the toner to just, go over the area that I'm trying to treat, and then I moisturize my skin really good. 3 times a week. My brothers and sisters, do not do more than that. More than that, you're trying to just burn your skin. And for the face, kojic acid and vitamin C, perfect. Just perfect. Remember that the skin on the face is lighter and more delicate than the skin on the body. So you don't want to use 2 very potent, strong actives together. Vitamin C it boosts collagen production. It really helps to rejuvenate the skin cells. It brightens the skin. And together with Kojie San, perfect. It's amazing. It gives you that soft, natural, milky glow, and it is not so, nothing harsh. Again, like I said, if you do not tolerate Kojie San soap on your face, you can use other kojic acid products paired with vitamin C, and it will do amazing for your face. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something that will help you use this soap in the best way to achieve your skin goals. And please don't forget to share this video with someone you know might need it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.